Thanks for coming to ShockSims.com, powered by Xneering, your premier magneride bypass provider. Below are the two magneride bypass kits we have developed. If you're just replacing your shocks and not removing your ride height sensors, the OBD SS is for you. If you are raising or lowering your ride height by more than 4 inches, the multi-piece kit is for you. Now, on to their differences. The OBD SS lives on the OBD2 port and switches on with the vehicle power with the provided connector. This kit has the easiest install and the fastest results and actively bypasses any missing magneride shocks. You can go ahead and replace your front struts now, and then in 12 months, do the rear, and the OBD SS will take care of the rest. The multi-piece kit comes in half and full kits. Half kits can be installed in the front or rear. Full kits will bypass all 4 corners. The multi-piece has 2 components for each corner. One simulates the presence of a shock, and the other simulates the presence of a stock and steady ride height. This kit works best for highly modified suspensions, has more steps, including the use of a scan tool. You can navigate to our instructions tab and see more information for installing both kits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.